Our planet's forests are living, breathing communities, far more than just trees. They are intricate networks of life, where every plant, animal, and microorganism plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. Forests are often called the lungs of our world, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen we need to survive. Every breath we take is connected to these green giants, silently working to keep our air clean and fresh. Beyond the air we breathe, forests regulate the water cycle, ensuring rivers flow steadily, preventing floods and droughts, and anchoring the soil to prevent erosion. They are nature's engineers, shaping landscapes and climates. For millions of people, forests are home. They provide food, medicine, and shelter, and are deeply woven into cultures and traditions worldwide. Generations have relied on forests for their livelihoods and spiritual well-being. These ecosystems are true biodiversity hotspots, sheltering over half of all land species. From the tiniest insects to majestic mammals, forests are alive with an astonishing variety of life, much of which remains undiscovered. Many modern medicines have their origins in forest plants, and scientists believe countless more cures and solutions are waiting to be found. The secrets of the forest hold promise for our future health and well-being. Each loss of forest is a loss of potential cures, unique species, and natural solutions. When we clear forests, we erase possibilities for science, medicine, and the stability of our environment. Protecting forests is essential for our health, the planet's stability, and the fight against climate change. Reforestation and conservation efforts are crucial steps toward restoring balance and hope. The fate of forests is tied to our own. Safeguarding them means securing our future. When we protect forests, we protect ourselves and generations yet to come. We all share the responsibility to protect these vital habitats. Every action, big or small, can make a difference in preserving these irreplaceable ecosystems. Only by truly valuing and preserving forests can we ensure a healthy, vibrant world for generations to come. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Despite their value, forests face relentless threats. Chief among them, illegal logging. Organized crime drives industrial-scale tree felling, leaving behind scarred landscapes and fragmented habitats. Logging roads open forests to further destruction, isolating wildlife and unraveling ancient ecosystems. Wildfires, once natural, now rage more frequently and intensely due to climate change. These megafires sterilize soil and devastate entire regions, from boreal to tropical forests. Deforestation and fires release massive carbon emissions, fueling a vicious cycle of climate change. We are losing forests and their biodiversity at an alarming rate. The consequences threaten not just wildlife, but the stability of our climate. Urgent action is needed to break this cycle of destruction. Protecting vast, remote forests is a challenge that demands a new perspective, one that goes far beyond what we can see from the ground. This is a perspective only satellites, orbiting silently above our planet, can truly provide. High above the clouds, satellites use advanced sensors and cameras to monitor Earth's surface in real time, capturing details across vast, inaccessible regions. These sophisticated instruments detect subtle changes invisible to the human eye, from the health of vegetation to shifts in soil moisture and even early signs of disease. The data they collect allows scientists to track deforestation, monitor drought conditions, and assess fire risk across the globe, providing a comprehensive view of environmental threats. Satellites revisit the same locations frequently, creating time-lapse views that reveal how landscapes change over days, months, and years. The information is processed into clear, easy-to-read maps and instant alerts for governments, conservationists, and local communities, empowering them to act quickly. Hidden acts of destruction, such as illegal logging or unreported fires, are now visible to the world, no matter how remote. Satellite technology has become a powerful ally in the fight to protect our fragile planet, offering hope for more effective conservation. With this unblinking gaze from above, environmental crimes can no longer hide, and the future of our forests is a little more secure. Satellite technology has revolutionized the fight against illegal logging. Automated systems scan for new roads and clearings, sending instant alerts to authorities. Rangers can now target patrols, sometimes catching loggers in the act. Satellite evidence is undeniable, helping secure convictions and deter future crimes. Public platforms like Global Forest Watch make this data accessible to all, increasing transparency. Governments and corporations are held accountable as illegal logging is exposed. The shadows that once hid these crimes are now illuminated for the world to see. Catastrophic wildfires in places like California and Australia have shocked the world. From space, satellites reveal the true scale of these disasters, mapping fire fronts and tracking smoke plumes across continents. This data guides emergency responses, showing which communities are at risk. Satellites also measure carbon emissions and air quality impacts far from the fires. The devastation to wildlife is immense, with billions of animals affected. Post-fire imagery helps conservationists locate surviving habitats and plan recovery. The view from above turns chaos into actionable information. Satellites are essential for understanding and responding to wildfire crises. In wildfire emergencies, every second counts. Satellites detect new fires within minutes, even in remote areas, and send instant alerts to fire crews. Early warnings allow rapid response, often containing fires before they spread. Satellite data guides evacuations, helping protect lives and property. Real-time maps show fire perimeters and hotspots, aiding strategic decisions. This constant flow of information gives firefighters a crucial advantage. Satellites are transforming how we fight and survive wildfires. Satellite monitoring marks a turning point in our stewardship of Earth's forests. With satellites orbiting high above, we now have a vigilant guardian watching over our planet's green lungs, day and night, in every season. For the first time in history, we can observe these vital ecosystems continuously, no matter where they are on the globe. This constant watchfulness means we can detect changes as they happen, from the Amazon to the Siberian taiga. This technology empowers rangers, scientists, and everyday citizens to act swiftly against threats like illegal logging, wildfires, and disease outbreaks. It puts powerful information into the hands of those who care most. Forests are the foundation of planetary health, regulating climate, supporting biodiversity, and sustaining billions of people and countless species. They store carbon, purify air and water, and provide homes for wildlife. Satellites help us defend these vital resources and hold those who harm them accountable. With clear evidence from space, enforcement teams can respond faster and more effectively than ever before. The transparency they provide fosters global cooperation and action, uniting countries and communities in the shared mission to protect our forests for the future. As satellite technology advances, our ability to protect forests will only grow stronger. New sensors and faster data mean we can spot threats earlier and respond with greater precision. But technology is just a tool. Real change depends on our commitment to act. It's our choices, our voices, and our actions that will ultimately decide the fate of our forests. The eyes in the sky reveal the challenges: deforestation, fires, and more. But it's up to us to respond with urgency and determination. Together, with technology as our ally and our shared resolve, we can ensure our forests not only survive, but truly thrive for generations to come.